If you remember, a few months ago, I upgraded my Genmitsu 4040 Reno with their extension kit with the goal of making fancy chairs and other furniture. Well, today I'm building a bench made specifically to go with the work desk I built for my daughter a while ago. Using the same 18mm hardwood plywood as the top of the desk, I'm using a design I found on Etsy, a series of vector files that are an easy match for a CNC. Right from those files, I was able to quickly prepare paths in FreeCAD, an app I use to control the CNC. Using a 1/4" compression bit, my favorite bit to use on this machine, I set it up for 1.5mm cuts per layer with a speed of 1500 millimeters per minute. This makes quick work of those pieces and not a lot of dust thanks to my 3D printed dust collection system, which was really easy to print and add. The main challenge here was clamping down my pieces because the size of what I wanted to make was basically the size of the wood I had. That would have easily been solved by just scaling down the project or having bigger pieces of wood. But I'm using some free scraps that I found on Facebook from a cabinet maker specifically for some CNC projects. Once the parts are done cutting, because of the thin hardwood veneer on my specific plywood, the edges are very sharp. As this is for a kid's table, I want very rounded corners, so I use my palm router and a 1/4" roundover bit to add a roundover on all the parts except the connecting tabs. A quick sanding later, those parts were ready for assembly. So quick from idea to being done. I love CNCs. Since this model was made specifically for 18mm plywood, the pieces snap together very well. So with some glue, a single clamp, and a 90-pound dumbbell, overnight this was all dry, straight and square. I painted it pink to match the desk I built for my daughter. I was debating doing the same white as the top of the desk, but decided on the color of the base of the desk. As you can see, this nice big bench was super simple to plan and cut on the 4040 Reno, while not even being close to filling its extended surface, which does 600 by 800 millimeters. Check out the links in the description for more information on the 4040 Reno, its extension, or anything about Genmitsu CNCs. I reviewed this months ago and I love this machine. It's my go-to for MDF templates or any big sheet cutout. Thanks for watching, please like the video and subscribe, and see you next time.